CRC Worldviews and News, important news about Christians worldwide. Today is the 2nd of June 2025. A man named Mohammed Sabri Suleiman attacked a rally for Israeli hostages in the U.S. state of Colorado with a petrol bomb. So far, 6 people have been injured in this attack. Further investigation is underway. This attack was carried out by groups supporting Palestine. The 72nd Miss World has come to an end in India. Thailand's Suchata Chuangsri won the title and took the Miss World crown. She was crowned Miss World out of 108 beauties from different countries. Suchata said that this title is a big responsibility. I have to live up to the expectations of people who want to see me do relief work. The Court of the Northern Territory of India has given a verdict regarding religious freedom. Pastor Kalyan said that the laws that exist are not being implemented, but the law that has come now is a good hope. There is a lot of anger and resentment among those who attack Christians. Pastor Eric Birklin said that the Word of God is unchanging. No matter how many restrictions China imposes, this word will remain. Eric said that it is becoming easier to talk about God. People ask us what changes the government is bringing in Christianity, and we give them the testimony of Jesus. Pastor Brendan Brewer says that drug dealers are ruining the lives of many young people. Most criminals are addicted to drugs. Brendan says that we are forming an advisory committee for many drug addicts and are bringing them to recovery. The Word of God is also helping them. Nahid Babu said that conditions are being tightened for Christians in Bangladesh, so that many restrictions are an obstacle to development. Membership of many organizations has been suspended. Gatherings are not allowed. The country is being turned into a prison. Regarding the attack in Congo, Church elder Ron Lund says that the Islamic State attackers came to the area intoxicated, kept shooting, set many houses on fire, kidnapped women, many people were injured and 7 people died. Pastor Fernando says that he came outside his church when the church was worshipping. Some people were cutting the electricity wires of his church. When he stopped them, the attackers cut his throat with a knife. Ron Lund was taken to the hospital and survived. He said that worship is becoming more difficult day by day. Let's look at the problems of Christians in Egypt. Sarah says that she was lonely after the death of her husband. Many people were urging her to convert to Islam, but she started serving in the church. Now she feels very comfortable in the fellowship of God. It is very difficult to remain faithful and follow Christ in Yemen. People hate Christians. Officials say there was a severe famine in Yemen after the war. People harm each other, and Christians are often the target of attacks. Stay with us for more news. If you want to watch more such videos and you liked our video, then subscribe to our channel. A reliable source of information. Stay connected with CRC News.